Okay, so today what we're going to start with is a multi-joint pushing movement. It's called a push-up. I'm sure many of you have heard of this before. What we're going to do is get down. I don't care if you are on your hands and your toes or your hands and your knees. What I want you to really make sure is that you're not letting your hips dip. Okay, you're keeping everything tight, your core engaged and your glutes engaged. And then all you're going to do is you're going to bend down at the shoulders and the elbow to a 90-degree bend, all right? And then push yourself right back up. Just nice, slow, controlled movement, breathing out on the way up. When you're doing this, you want to do it for about 2 sets, 12 repetitions. The next exercise I will show you is a fundamental multi-joint movement with the legs. It's called a squat. What you want to really focus on here is you want your feet about shoulder to hip width apart, all your weight on your heels. We do this so that when we're going down, we do not have the weight coming to our toes, therefore striking the knees and putting strain on the knees. So feet about shoulder width apart, all the weight on the heels, chest out, butt out, core pulled in nice and tight. Have your hands up, creating a good shelf, a good platform with your elbows. You're just going to sit back into your heels down to a 90-degree bend at the knee and the hip. Then push right back up. Try not to let your knees go in or out. Keep everything in a linear movement. The third exercise I'll show you today is a wall sit. Now this is a great isometric hold. What we really want to focus on here is just finding any piece of wall, all right? We're going to go down to 90-degree bend at the knees, making sure that our feet are about shoulder to hip width apart, and then I just want you to hold this position. You'll start to feel a good burn in the quads. That's a good thing. It's because you have knee flexion that you're holding isometrically. It makes your heart work really hard. It's very good. You want to do this 2 to 3 sets for 30 seconds at a time. Once you're done with 30 seconds, just go ahead and come on up. Thank you. I hope you enjoy these exercises.